Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to play peroxide roblox game with if you are a beginner then this video is for you. So first of all you have to open an app or roblox player on PC, and if you are mobile you can open an app and search for peroxide and enter. The first game will come out here. Just open it to play this game and click on the play button. Once you open this game first time, then it will start with a tutorial. So if you are beginner, that this tutorial can be useful to you. First of all, you have to complete the tutorial, and with it will guide you to finish your tutorial. And once you finish your tutorial, let me skip the part. So first of all, you can when you enter or when you see this screen, you have to choose the character from here. So there are, guys, three types of characters. There are three types of character. One is Soul Reaper, as you can see, and the second one is Aaron Carr, and the third one is Fancy. So each race has its own unique ability and stat. So you choose the one that you think is best for you. So suppose this is my Soul Reaper character, and once you have chosen the race, you need to choose your character stats. So there are 5 stats to choose from. The first one is strength, then spirit, the health, and the yasu, and the last one is agility. So the each strength determines your physical damage output. Spirit then determines your magical damage output. Health determines your maximum health. Yasu determines your energy pool, and agility determines your movement speed. So once you understand these stats, now you can level up your character by completing quests, defeating enemies as you level up. So you will earn skills points, and then you can improve your character stats and abilities. So you can get the task to talk to enemy NPC like this. You can find the NPC here. So if you are a beginner, guys, you will get your first sword from here. Talk to NPC and get your press E to talk to him, and by talk to him, or you can purchase your first sword from here. Like I have one. So to equip your sword, you just need to press E. You have to press E while you are fighting. So, and you will get these abilities whenever you complete the task, or whenever you kill your enemies. So you will get these abilities to and which can help you to fight your enemies. So first one is, I have got 4 things. The first one is the focus a bit of Ryasu into the tips of a finger and fire it off, and those. The second one is swing your blade in a spinning motions around yourself. So whenever you if you want to use any of them, you have to press the respective keywords, number keywords. If you want to use one, you just press 1. If you want to use second one, you have to press 2. But first it will ask you, so this second one will be activated if you are fighting with enemies. So you can fight with any holo. You will find the holo around the cities, and so as you level up, you will unlock a new abilities. Like I have these 4 abilities, and these abilities can be used to attack enemies and defend yourself or heal yourself. So experiment with these different abilities to find ones that works best for you. So, and after understanding these abilities, and now it's time to join the clans. So guys, so now the next step is joining a clan. So clans are a great way to get help from other players and level up faster. So you can join a clan by searching for one in a game chat. You can see if there is any clans if they are talking about, and And you can also create your own clans and ask the users to join your clans. So this will help you to level up faster. And as you can see, as you want, if you want to get a Shikai, then guys, you must first of all you have to be in 15th level. So right now I'm level 6. So once I get once I'll be 15 level, I'll show you how to get the Shikai in Roblox peroxide game. And now there are many different areas to explore in peroxide. Each area has its own unique enemies and challenges. So you need to explore the world to find a new items and abilities and secrets. So this game is all about this, and that's all there is to it. There are just a basic of how to play peroxide abilities, and for more information, you can visit the game's official website, or you can join the game's Discord server. I hope this is helpful, and let me know if you have any other question. Till then, bye bye.